Hi everyone, it's Mac. You join me on my garden. This is going to be my first excursion by myself, first holiday by myself, and I'm planning to go to the Lake District. I'm going to be camping in my car. I'm going to be cooking some food in my car. I'm going to be swimming, fishing, and doing the odd bit of walking as well. And maybe, if I can be bothered, I might drive up to Northumberland/Scotland because I'll be near there anyway. So the plan is to take you along every step of the way, and hopefully by the end of it I'll get a bit more comfortable with recording myself, because this doesn't feel one bit. But yeah, look forward to it. Here we go. So just to give you an idea of the setup, this is my fully electric car, which might become a bit of a nuisance further down the line, but I've got my bed, which fits in there nicely, my clothes, food in there, and also because it's an electric, it doesn't have an engine, of course, and I've got all my cooking supplies in the front. So I'm going to set off now, pick up a cool box on the way, and hopefully we'll get to the Lake District for a decent time. So one thing I would say is there's like I'm going in at the deep end a little bit here. The longest I've ever been camping is probably a week, and that nearly broke me, if I'm honest. Camping's one of those things that seems like a good idea to be in touch with nature, and then you realise just how little you actually have on you. So I've nearly brought the entire house with me in this car. It's quite crammed, and one thing I'm definitely not looking forward to is figuring out where the hell I'm going to go number 2. I suppose it'll have to be either the woods or Mackie's bathroom. All that and more coming in the vlog. So traffic has hit a standstill on a main road. I don't know why. I think it's highway maintenance. About 10 minutes out from where I need to be to charge up, and then I'm going to look for a place to park. But that's another half an hour drive, so it'll be in dark by this time. So I won't be doing an awful lot tonight. Probably just eating and then go to sleep. And then tomorrow I'm going to get up early, or within reasonable time, because I'm on holiday. And oh, there we go. Maybe it isn't highway maintenance. So yeah, I'm going to do some swimming maybe tomorrow. I don't think I'll do fishing because it's about 25-30 quid for a day. So I want to save that until I've got a full day, and I'm just not quite sure how ready I'm going to be wanting to get up tomorrow morning. So what will be, what will be. Might go for a wandering Keswick. Let's see how I feel tomorrow. Yeah, let's do that. Hello, as you can tell, it's now 10 past 10. I know where I'm going. I've seen quite a few places to actually set up tonight, where tomorrow hopefully I can wake up and have a swim. First day's gone well. Just found some place to park and had a little bit of dinner. Phone's about to die, so I'm going to get up in the morning, charge it up, and hopefully go for a swim. It's now the morning. Arrived last night about 10:30, woken up this morning to an absolutely wonderful view, and now it's time to cook some brekkie. So I've arrived at the car park that I've originally wanted to go to. I've parked it there and I'm not going to move now, so then I can wake up in the morning by this nice lake. I did have a paddle earlier, and the water's very warm, so I can't wait. And then tomorrow I'm going to get my fishing licenses sorted and try and do a bit of fly fishing. So now I'm just scoping the bank to see if there's any activity at all of any fish, but I don't think there is at the moment. So, but to be fair, it's a day well spent even if you don't catch out, so we'll give it a go. That was a lovely day of swimming. I'm now knackered and absolutely starving, so I'm going to make myself some tea. I'm going to go for the classic of chorizo and cheese pasta.
So today was good. Went swimming, went for a walk, went for a couple of pints. Basically had a really chill day, to be honest. And yeah, hopefully going to be doing some fishing tomorrow. That'll be good. This is my view currently, by the way, which is mad. This is inside the car. It's another morning. Got some eggs and bacon on the go. And today we're going to give fishing a go as well. So I'm going to try and get some internet connection so I can actually buy the licenses. And then, yeah, we're going to try and fish.
And I only went and caught a fish. This is actually my first fish that I ever caught, and a very nice gentleman and his wife caught this footage. It was only a little perch off the Derwent water, but it's my first catch nonetheless.
Took your time, didn't you?
My first catch.
Like it's a monster.
Oh yeah. Here he is.
Brilliant.
Amazing.
Well done.
So I've since moved on to Thirlmere. I can wake up in the morning and walk up to Thirlmere Infinity Pool. But I thought, why not? I'm going to go to Thirlmere Reservoir, which is about a 15-minute walk from where I'm parked, and try and look at fly fishing here whilst the fishers are coming up for their evening supper. So unfortunately there's no luck with the old fishing, but we have got this view, which in itself is a win. So yeah, lovely day. Hopefully we'll see the infinity pool tomorrow. So I've woken up and now on the way to the infinity pool. I'm parked somewhere behind those houses, and now I'm going up the steepest hill on earth. Hopefully it's not too busy. I did wake up later than expected. Waterfall number 1. Second, third and fifth waterfall. God, I'm knackered. So I was all the way down there, and you can just see the spout of the infinity pool, if you like. So let's get to it. There it is. No one here. Right, time to make the trek across. I might need 2 hands, might need to put it down. There's a railing there, look. Hopefully the phone holds on. Oh yeah. We're here now, baby. My God, that's cold. But I'd complain if it was warm. Woo! Oh yeah. Oh, fucking hell, it's lovely. God, it's cold. Ah, amazing. The views. Right, I'm gonna go enjoy myself. I don't want to be one to complain, but it is bloody cold in there. Your legs freeze up, and then they just cramp and don't work. So I'm gonna go for a quick dive and then come out and do it like that, I think. Right, I'm gonna go in. Jesus. Ah. Oh, fucking shit. Oh my God, that is so fucking cold. Shit me. I can see why people die when they fall in the sea, because that's just, oh my God, Christ on a bike. I'm gonna try again. Oh, still cold. Oh, fuck me, it's so, it hurts. Cold. Jesus. I could jump off there, but I feel like I'll be one of those people that hits a rock and dies, so. I did the hard part, which is walking up here. The water is so clear up here though, it's amazing. Oh, no, it's actually, no it isn't, it's still cold. Fucker! Off the edge here is just a sheer drop. I'll be very careful around here because all these rocks are covered in algae. God, it's so cold. I cannot put hurts. It's like ice.
Kez, it's just over there, just over that hill. I do just want to show you that you can actually get used to it swimming here.
Not actually so bad once your body cooled down. Quite nice. It's just that you get your face under it. Bloody hell is that cold.
So I left Thirlmere for Ullswater, and I stayed in this lay-by where this bloke just so happened to be playing the flute till bloody 9 o'clock at night. Each to their own. The next day I woke up and went to Airaforce, which is a bit further round Ullswater, and all it is basically a waterfall.
Just a 20-minute walk up from the car park. Apparently there's a waterfall that we can go and have a look at. So that's what I'm doing now. But it's on a bit of an incline, and I'm from Lincolnshire, so I don't do well with hills. So we'll see how we get on. Well, that was a fun way to spend less than an hour, really. Not a lot of water in the waterfall because obviously it's been too dry, but yeah, it's good. This is the Pinetum Trail. It's surrounded by some gorgeous pine trees, and they're absolutely huge. So if you're a tree lover like me, man, definitely worth a visit.
I also tried fishing Ullswater, and on the way out I saw this atlas.
I have unfortunately had to end the trip early, probably judged by my pink and brown arms. I've either caught sunstroke or a bug from swimming or something like that, because I feel like poo. To prioritise my own health, I'm heading back. But for the days I have had there, it's been very good. Very good trip, I'm glad I went, and managed to get to see some really nice places and make some fun memories. If you stayed to the end, thank you for watching. And I'm now in a car park, charging my car, helping myself to a pizza slice, treating myself. Thanks all for watching. Bye bye.